Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the Onesie Mockup in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and then double-click the Pixlr X option. Then double-click the Open Image button on the left-hand side, and just find the JPEG mockup. It's going to ask if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original full-size mockup. It looks like they just changed this, so to add your image you want to click on this little picture with the mountains that says Add Image when you hover over it, and then click Browse, then find your design. It'll ask you if you want to create a new document or add it to the current, so we'll click Add Current, and you may need to resize this. To do that, just hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just click and drag any of the four corners. And when you think you've got your design sized about right, just hover over it until you see this Move tool with the four arrows, and then just click and drag your graphics in place. If you want to, you can also change the layer blend mode of your graphics to make it look more natural. So if you double click, or if you click on this icon of the three dots in the layers panel, it'll allow you to change the layer blend mode. So then just click the drop down menu underneath blend mode and change it from none to multiply. You'll see that'll allow a little bit of the texture to show through your design. You can just click the X to close that. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the Onesie Mockup in Pixlr. When you're done, you can just click this Save button at the bottom. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail like on Etsy, you'll want to save a JPEG version. So we'll select JPG, and then we'll change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high, and then we'll click Download. And it's just going to let us know it was saved to the default download folder on our device, and it'll give us the option to change where that folder is if we wanted to do that. If you want a layer Pixlr document, you can come back here a second time, click Save again, and then click PXD and click Download. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. As always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.